Hi, my beautiful people. So, this is Shubhani. I am known for the faceless videos that I make on this channel, but this is the first time I'm revealing my face. So, with all the shyness, I'm right here in front of you showing you my face. And with a lot of thought process, I have decided to take this channel from faceless to face based. So, yeah, had always romanticized life through different people's vision on how they showed their channel or how they showed their life on YouTube. So I had a lot of YouTubers that I had followed for like past 4 5 years, and those videos were totally faceless, and they would show how their life would go through. And I would always romanticize the idea of it, thinking, wow, it is so nice, and I wish I could live a life of like theirs. So firstly, creating content without showing my face was a big challenge for me. I felt like I was missing on the opportunity to truly connect with my audience, you guys, because एक तो मैं बोल नहीं पाती, ठीक है, दूसरा सारे actions के through I would not be able to tell you that why am I doing this, what is the reason actually I am making a certain video, or like doing some particular step, or the daily DIYs I would do, or like just the organizing part. So lack of communication was there where I would not be able to express myself completely. Secondly, initially I had thought that I would be very shy on camera and I would not want to reveal my face because this okay, so there's nobody to guide. Okay, initially in every phase there is nobody to guide, so आपको खुद figure out करना पड़ता है. So seeing how to figure out myself and like just to learn from different YouTube videos and YouTube channels is very different than to actually take in the step and do it yourself. So after a lot of procrastination, जब मैंने finally videos बनाना शुरू करा, I realized the kind of time it would take, the kind of efforts it would take, and somewhere I would not feel happy with the final content that I had shot. And I would be like, shit, मैं यहाँ बोल सकती थी, shit, like I could have shown my face, I could have done so much more. तो एक तो वो सारी चीज़ें नहीं हो पा रही थी, and that was taking a toll on my mental state कि यार मैं कुछ बता नहीं पा रही हूँ, मैं कुछ शेयर नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. And again, this is not something that was filmed according to my thought process उतना properly, like the outcome was not there. So ये तो एक तो firstly this is going to happen abhi bhi. This is a part of you new learning. But yes, now that I have thought of it, I think I'm going to do better in the face wale videos showing my face. So the shy part has gone, and the authenticity of everything that I am doing. Look, I really respect all the people who are making face less videos, but sometimes I feel that you have to put up to the videos or to the content where you're not actually doing it, you're just pretending initially to do it, and then once the recording is done, that is when you actually make. So for example, if I'm cooking something, okay, so for the video and for the aesthetic point of view, I would have to cut and chop it in a certain manner, and अब अपने गैस पे कुछ चीज़ चढ़ा रखी है, and you also have to concentrate side by side on that. So with the camera it was very difficult, and I just thought that sometimes I'm faking in the actions, not actually faking in the actions, pretending to do it in a certain way, which I just thought was not fair to you guys. So that is why the face part comes to the line, that when I'm actually cutting and talking to you, I think it would be much better, or I would be able to just without any filters show you what I am actually doing, what I'm actually feeling. So these are the 2 to 3 reasons that I feel, and that is somewhere making me also comfortable putting up myself in front of the camera. So with all of this, you ask me, why am I continuously blabbering? My blabbering is because I am here to tell you that I am finally going to make face videos on this channel, and there might be times here and there where you get to see the ASMR kind of style videos, but majorly I will be coming here and showing you my face. अभी भी बात करते करते थोड़ा सा दुख होता है, but ठीक है, that shyness will go away with time. I want to put myself to that journey where I take away my shyness from the camera, because I see myself doing better in front of the camera where I'm just speaking to you directly. So these were the 2 to 3 things that I felt that I should tell you, and I hope you're looking forward and keep supporting me in my journey, just like you always did. Thank you for all the followers and all the people that were there throughout my journey, and most welcome to all the people who are going to be on this journey with me in future. So I'm really grateful. I'm full of gratitude. So thank you, and just keep supporting me, showing that love. Please like, share, and subscribe to my content. And this is because it keeps me motivated, and which is the main reason why we're initially here. The growth and the success part comes later. The initial confidence is built by when people like you support us. So please keep supporting us. Please keep showing your love. Thank you. See you next time.